Hello guys, welcome back to Klutakklutik.com. Today we are going to be replacing the remote battery of Toyota Innova 2.4 diesel. So this is the remote. There's the Toyota logo. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to have a minus screwdriver. Then you put it in a hole. There's a small hole there. Then you twist it. Then you twist it again. And that's the battery. You need to have a smaller minus screwdriver. Then you push it from the bottom, and that's the battery. It's a 1620. That's the type of the battery. Now replace it with the new one. So that's the new one. Then put it from the top, and then you push it. Then you twist it again to the right to close the place of the battery. Then you put everything back together. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching Klutakklutik.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Klutakklutik.com. Thank you guys. Goodbye.